Okay, so today we're working with BF hair. We have the hair here. These are 3 bundles here. I believe this is a 16, 18, 18. And then this is my frontal. I believe the frontal is either 14 or 16. I believe this is a 14. So I think it's 14, 16, 18, 18. And so we're going to be having fun today. And we're going to turn it to a beautiful brown. I chose these from Sally's. So I picked these up from Sally's, and these are the L'Oreal Technique Excellent High Color browns for dark hair. So with these, you just use this and some developer. The box tells you to mix per box. You do a 30 volume developer, but I'm out of my 30, so we're gonna do 40 today. So the instructions tell you to mix for 1 box. You do 2.5 ounces. So this is a little bit above 2.5 ounces. So I've put 1.5 into each, measured out and put them into each in just a second. And I have my little spoon here. I have a mixer, but I can't find it at the moment. But the color that I chose was H6 Light Auburn. So hopefully we'll get this rich Auburn brown color. So, yeah, I'm gonna get started. I just kind of wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like. I've already bleached the knots on the frontal like a week ago, so we're already ready to go. I can't even get in there that well, but so this is what the bundles look like beforehand. I'm gonna go ahead and dye them, and then I'll be back to show you what they look like processed and then after. This is a natural brown color. This is the color basically the hair was before. Pretty much all of the hair that you pretty much will receive from companies is, and this is the color it is. So for reference, it did make a huge difference. It definitely did dye the hair. It just, I wanted Auburn, and this is more like a rich chocolate brown. Okay, so this hair was super gorgeous, as you've seen in the clips. Before I even messed with it, I kind of wish I would have just kept it in the natural color, just because it didn't exactly come out the color that I really wanted it to be. Now I think this is a beautiful, nice, subtle change, especially if you're in like the corporate world where you like to have you know, dye your hair and make change to it, but you can't really go extreme with your colors. This is one of those nice subtle colors. Even for me, my natural hair is a nice sandy brown color, so a color like this would take very well because my hair is already a light color naturally. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some quick curls as I talk to you guys, because it's looking a little bit flat. But like I said, this is 3 bundles and a frontal. Nice full texture. It was body wave. I kind of am upset that I went ahead and dyed it, just because this color didn't take as well as I wanted. I did use the L'Oreal Technique High Color dark browns for dark hair only. Now you guys know my signature, what is it, like my burgundy color. I use this brand, I think it's the magenta one, and it comes out so good. But what I've realized about the rest of the colors in this line, especially the browns, is that it's not really as vibrant as you may be looking for. Now I did go ahead and straighten the hair. It still reverted back to its beautiful body wave. I forgot to record that for you guys, but because with these I find that they don't really damage the texture of the hair. What was great about that is that I was able to have my curls back, but I just feel like when you dye your hair and then you show it off wet, you definitely don't get the same effect. Like if you dye your hair brown, red, blonde, or whatever, when it's wet, it's a completely different look than it may be when it's dry. I love this flat iron. This is the Babyliss Prima Pro 3000. Got it off of Amazon. Really good price. It goes up to 465 degrees. Literally the hottest flat iron I've ever tried. This is like literally the laziest curls I've ever done, but usually these days this is how it goes for me. And that's pretty much it. That definitely added some volume and some fun and some body to this hair, because I was slacking a little bit since I did go out into the elements from it. But you just take a wide tooth comb and comb it out and you're good to go. Also, don't forget to add some hairspray so that it, you know, will hold a little bit longer. But I'm definitely loving this hair. I also did tweeze the hairline a little bit. I gotta go back in and make this baby hair a little bit shorter, but I was afraid of making it too short today, and I kind of wanted it to be a little bit more full. But that's pretty much it. I do love this color. I just don't feel like it was true to what the box looks like, or maybe it's not supposed to, but I think it's supposed to look exactly like this. And this is not the same thing. So when you go with this line, make sure that you are going for more classy, subtle looks. If you're going for the extreme browns, the extreme reds, the extreme, I think they even have like blondes and navy blues, you're probably not going to get as extreme or the huge pop that you're looking for. But if you want it to be like safe for work, safe for school, safe for your teen child or something like that, you definitely will get what you want. I did use 3 boxes of this, and it did cover the whole head. The hair did come in one of these types of bags. I did hot glue, sit my hot glue gun on this, so it is a little bit destroyed. But this is the name right here, BF Hair. They also did give free gifts, some of these cute little old school pins, so you can just like pin them. I know back in the day we used to hide these. We used to use them to pin our hair, but we want them concealed. Now it's kind of cute when they're exposed, so you can play with those and, you know, do them exposed real cute. They also gave some bobby pins. These are cute as exposed as well. So not only do they help secure your hair, but they are actually a trendy style these days, which is really cool. And a really cute little green bracelet. So yeah, I love when companies give free gifts, especially stuff that you can actually use. Like these, I'll definitely use. This I can actually put, you know, into my jewelry armoire, and then when I have, you know, a cute little outfit with green in it, I got my little pop of green. But the hair itself was beautiful, true to length. What I did notice about the frontal is it was super soft. The lace itself was soft. I don't think it was silk, a silk based frontal, but it just felt super duper soft. The texture of the hair all around was super soft, especially like after I dyed it, rinsed it out, I washed it, and then I used my silicone mix. I really love the silicone mix. It's absolutely my favorite conditioner, especially after I put a lot of heat damage or a lot of dye and chemical products into my hair, because it helps to revamp it really good without having to like put it in the dryer. I could literally put it on the hair, let it sit for like 5 minutes or less, and it's revamped already. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out BF Hair. I have the link in the description bar to where you can check out this hair here. Beautiful body wave, and you guys did see how gorgeous this hair was before I even touched it, and it's still gorgeous now with a light beautiful effect, kind of subtle and perfect for spring. I feel like when you get to the summertime you want that pop, but spring is kind of that transition from like your dark hair in the wintertime to your bright hair in the summer. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out BF Hair. I have all of the information in the description bar for you guys to click away and shop. Also, don't forget I have a $500 cash giveaway going on my channel. Information on that is in the video. I have that link down below. I have my silicone mix. I have this flat iron and all the products that I used to achieve this look in the description bar for you guys if you guys want to click the links and check them out. That's available to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.